welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today we are going to be doing an unboxing. Okay, I have this product here from Jumia. They delivered this product for me, so we are going to be unboxing this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, it's an unboxing, first impression, try on, or all together. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to my space. Here I create natural ingredients for DIY, for your hair growth, any other thing that has to do with hair. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so here we have a hair piece I ordered. Okay, I am going to be trying it with you all. I have never done this kind of content before, so I hope you enjoy this particular one. So let's get started, guys. Here is it. I'm going to be unboxing it with you all, and I got this on Jumia. I decided to try something different than wearing normal wigs, so this is how it is. From the inside package is what we have. Wow, this is how long it is. So let's see. Okay, so this is the hair. I thought it's going to be fuller. It's light. It's literally very, very light. Like, I thought it's going to be like a full piece, but it's for ponytail anyway. It's a ponytail hair. So this is my first time ordering this kind of piece. Okay, so I don't know what to expect, guys. Anyway, it's giving me no shading. As I wrap my hands around it, it does not have any shading and the rest, so which is good for the first impression. I feel this is a this is a machine sewing. Okay, this is machine sewing. It's not hand sewed, it's machine sewed. Okay, so this is 100% synthetic. Okay, it's not natural. This is bone straight synthetic. All right, so we're going to put this on my hair. I'm having a braid. Okay, I've already done my bantu something, so I'm going to put this on my hair. I just hope this thing looks good on my hair. All right, guys, so let's install. I have a mirror right here, so I am going to be using the mirror to install this on my hair. So first off, we are going to put this and wrap it. It's simple. It's very easy to install, as I'm saying it. Wrap this around your. I don't know if you guys have seen what I am doing. Ooh. Right, so side, then flip this back. Try to make sure I arrange it. Is really, really scanty. It's very, very scanty, guys. Like, it's so scanty. So this is my back.
What's that?
What do you guys think? I feel it's very, very scanty. tell us, this is what it came out. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do it like a knot. This is God have mercy. It cannot turn to a knot, guys. Nope, cannot turn to a knot. So we cannot get, but I think I can. If I use pins on it, it can stay. I don't have those small pins, those black pins. If I use pin on it, I feel it can stay. Hold on, I'll be right back. Guys, I have gotten this pin. I went through my wardrobe. I found I have some of it. So I am going to try and see if I can, safely lock it on my hair. Okay, all right, it's not totally done. Like you're going to use a lot of paint. For this piece, you're going to use a lot of paint. See, I have a fly over here. Anyway. So, this is not the best of the bond. But anyway, it still give you bond if you use it with pin. Alright, so I got this piece, so I'm gonna try and see if I can use it. It's for me. Alright. This is the hair. I know it's not perfect, but it still gave us what we're looking for, right? It's not perfect, but we got something. This is the back. So guys, this is the second time me putting it back on my hair, and I noticed that it's having this thing like knot, okay, and as I'm separating the knot, it's shredding. It's shredding already, like breeze has entered the body. So as I'm separating the knot, it's shredding already. Let me get brush. I got brush, and let's brush the hair. It has tangle. Okay, just know that it's gonna tangle. All right, this hair is going to tangle. I think maybe if you get two of these, it should be better. It should be a bit fuller. But how will you put two of this on your hair? Is that possible?
It's impossible.
Right, so from here, Mia, quiet. From here is free. Then from this side is a bit. It has a lot of tangles. like a lot of tangles here. Anyway, I'll deal with that later. Guys, I removed my glasses. The glasses because of my ring light. So this is the end of the video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, revealing, first impression and the rest. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. For me, I will give this hair a size 5. I'll give it 5 because okay, initially I thought that it's not going to have like a tangle issue, but it's tangled. So I'm see. So I'm definitely gonna give it a size. So it's that 5 or 4 because what you order versus what you got. Yeah. This is the picture of what I got. I'm going to be inserting the picture of what I actually ordered here, and this is what I got. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next unboxing video. I don't know what I'm going to unboxing next, but if people like this kind of content, let me know in the comment section. Maybe we'll be trying out wigs and the rest to add it with our DIYs. All right, guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.